What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So as you guys saw in the title, we got top rated sellers, so we're really excited. We're going to be showing you guys the benefits of it and then the criteria you have to meet to get to it. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good video. Let's cut this intro and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We do thrifting, retail arbitrage, a bunch of that, so you should definitely check out all of our videos, and if you're new, you should consider subscribing. So today's video is on what we got. We got a top rated sellers on eBay. Our store hit it, so we've been grinding, we've been hustling. It's been about 4 or 5 months on eBay now. So we finally hit top rated seller, so we're going to share with you guys the criteria you have to get a top rated seller, and then the benefits you get as well. So Christina's going to hop right into it, and yeah, tell you guys what's good.
So we don't give you any wrong information. We actually have the web page pulled up from eBay right now, so you know how to qualify as a top rated seller. So number one, an eBay account that's been active for at least 90 days. Yes. Which actually, that's what I didn't know, so that like kind of makes sense why we just reached it. But number two, 100 or more transactions and $1,000 in sales during the last 12 months with US buyers. So you have to make sure that you have over 100 sales, which makes sense because you could just sell like $1,000, two $500 lawnmowers, and that's yeah, exactly. And then you don't look as official as if you were to have 1,000 sales or $1,000 in sales. A defect rate less than or equal to 0.5% with 3 or fewer defects from unique buyers. We're not 100% positive, but I'm pretty sure it's just from your item being defected or not. So we've never had that happen to us. So I think it's just like if you were to list your item in pristine condition and then it arrives in pretty bad condition, I think that would be considered a defect rate because it's not how it was listed. So luckily that's never happened to us.
Yes. Knock on wood.
Cases closed without seller resolution less than or equal to 0.3% and 2 or fewer cases. So if anything were to happen to an item, say in transit or something, and the buyer were to open up a return and it was never solved or anything, it was just left open, which I don't even think that's possible anymore with eBay's new terms because they'll just close cases for you. So I don't know, but you can't have a case not closed or not resolved, which we've never had that either. So a late shipment rate less than or equal to 3% and 5 or fewer late shipment rates. So that means you have to have at least 95% of your tracking and shipping uploaded on time, and you can't have more than 5 that are uploaded late. So this is where we fall down. We've actually had 4.
So we just made that.
Yeah, so careful. But it's actually because what we tried to do was send out packages without an actual shipping label. We sent them with like a stamp and there's no tracking for that, so then there was no tracking on eBay at all. So that's another, I mean, you can send it like that if it's something flat and small, but that's a downside, is that you won't get the tracking information, so you could lose out on your top rated seller status because that is what they look for, is the tracking information. And finally, tracking uploaded within your stated handling time and carrier validation for 95% of transactions to US buyers. So that means you have to make sure it's shipped out of your house at the post office in however many days you choose your handling time is. So ours is 3 days, so we need to make sure that our stuff is out of the house and the post office is scanned in by that 3 days, because that is what they're looking for, is that little scan.
Sometimes you gotta be fast.
Yes. But then it says, once you meet these requirements, we automatically upgrade you to the top rated seller status at your next evaluation. So that is what happened with us. We had, I mean, in your little seller performance area, it tells you your seller level forecast, so it'll tell you what's to come. In the past, like literally like 29 days, like we've had top rated, and we've been counting down. We were counting down to April 20th till we hit that, so we were so excited.
Yeah, super excited that we finally hit that.
Yes, but now onto the benefits and the perks.
Yes.
And so for the first perk, it's right underneath where you qualify. You actually can earn a $30 credit toward promoted listings each quarter, which is cool because we started promoting some of our listings now up to like 1 to 10% depending on the item, depending on the trending rate and stuff. So that'll be really cool if we can earn that $30 credit towards it back, so we don't have to pay those the promoted fees. And then in order to give your listing a top rated plus seal, you have to then go in and qualify your listings to get this seal, and with that you have to have same or 1 business day handling time, which that seems crazy for us. I feel like sometimes the 3 days is too short for us, but we're gonna try it out.
We're gonna do it.
Yes. And then 30-day or longer free return period with money back options. So it's a free returns with sellers and stuff, which we were kind of sketched about, so we'll see. But like I said, we did put all of our listings with those qualifications, so we got the little top rated seal and stuff on our listing, so it looks really cool.
So our theory is we will sell more and we will be selling good stuff that we won't get returns.
Yes.
And we will sell more because we will people will see free returns, but then they won't need to return.
But they won't need it. But anyway, so once your listings qualify and they have those 2 criteria met, you can now have the benefits of being top rated, and those 2 benefits are you get the top rated plus seal on all of your listings and also in the listing description. So it's in 2 different places for the buyer to see it, which is pretty cool.
That's really nice. So just, it shows more.
Yeah, it's plastered all over.
Yeah.
They know we're good. The last one is a 10% discount on your final value fees. So that's the biggest perk, is that you're going to be paying less at the end for your item to list. So that's really cool, and it'll end up saving you money in the long run, which is why we want to try it to see if it's really worth it. But some of our items are at such a low cost, I don't know if the 10% is really worth it, because they only take, I think, 30% out of the final value fee. So to get 20%, it'll be like cents for us, you know. But we'll see. Still, we'll have to see how it works for us. But those are the perks and the qualifications. So
yeah, that was it, guys. That was pretty good. Was this page helpful? Yes. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. So yeah, we were super excited to get top rated seller. Yeah. That was a goal we had, so we were crushing it, grinding, and we finally made it. Yeah. So if we can do it, guys, you guys can do it too. All you gotta do is just list and sell, and just be on time, and just be a good seller. Yeah. So that was our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Her name is Christina. My name is Martin. If you're new to this channel, hit subscribe. Make sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace. So in this video, guys, we're gonna explain to you guys what you have to meet for the, what's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? So let's get into today's, what?